Did you know the blue white-lipped island pit viper isn't a separate species? It's just a rare blue version of a normally green or yellow snake. The color isn't even fixed. Depending on light or mood, it can shift between bright blue, turquoise, or even slightly greenish. And its white lips are real too. Those pale scales around its mouth actually glow against the blue. It spends most of its life in trees, casually coiled on branches like a deadly little ornament you really don't want to grab. It doesn't chase prey either, it just sits there, completely still, for hours, waiting, watching, like the world's most patient little assassin. And when it strikes, its venom maces with blood and tissue, so absolutely gorgeous, but very much a admire from afar situation. Also, they don't lay eggs. They give birth to live babies, tiny, fully formed venomous snakes. Oh, and it can see heat, literally. It has special pits on its face that detect body heat, so even in pitch darkness, it still knows exactly where you are. Want to keep expanding your knowledge? Like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one.